Send a mic. I'm in Esch. Today I'm going to Luxembourg. What I know about Luxembourg, it has a Déierepark. That means an animal park, which means there's going to be lots and lots of animals. Animals everywhere. I can hardly wait to go see the animals. And what's nice is that Escher Déierepark is free. It's even free to feed the animals. It could not be easier to get here. As soon as you cross the passerelle, you come here, you got directions. Escher Déierepark. About a 17-minute walk. And that way. Follow the finger up the hill. Oh, this way. Oh, thank you. Looks like we're here. We're gonna see animals, animals, animals. Wow, what are you? You guys look like stuffed animals. And I don't mean that in a bad way. I've just never seen anything like you before. You and I are brothers. We're the same. If I shoot you from down here, I can make you look big. You are a giant horse. The Baumhaus Cafe is really cool. It's like a tree fort and a great place to get something to drink or something to eat. I like these guys. We have similar hair. This is fun. And I recommend a trip to Luxembourg and to the Escher Déierepark. Adi ciao. Tip top.